Welcome everybody to Belle and Chanote. Today we are at the Soi 126, which is nearby the location of Khao Tao. From Hua Hin city center, we could drive from this villa back to Hua Hin with 10 minutes only. How this house interests for you? You can see that where I am is in the area of parking. This villa is come with the 3 bedrooms, so with the 2 cars park can be nice. And here where they put the trash bin, which is corrected from the projects in the morning of twice a week. In this area, we are higher up from the sea level, around 50 meters, which this house in the back is attached with the mountain. It's almost the last plot of the land that able to build. It means it's higher than other plot because in this project they make it 3 layers. High on the mountain side, and then the second step lower, and the last lower step, and this one is on the top patch. Where I am, they have the garden on the front, which has also the pump room over there. This villa is come with 538 square meters, which is quite need to organize the level because it's on the hill, so the house will be layered as well. This is the position of the outdoor shower, which is here is a position of the swimming pool. As you see, they make overflow system, and it's nice to see the water fall down when you're parking and you enter in the house. And on this side, actually is a pump room. Here, they use quite good material for the door, and inside you can see they have the water filter as well with the water pump and the pool pump together. Now we will continue to see around. There is the stair that you can get into the terrace from this side, and I will take you to the stair where we can enter from the main entrance. So when you park, you need to take some steps from the stair to go to the villa. Why? Because we are up on the hill, and you see when we go up, there is a swimming pool on our right side, which is wide for 4 meters and long for 9 to 10 meters. Oh, sorry, it's 10 meters long. And on another side, there is also the storage room that you can keep your equipment, and here they keep the outdoor furniture as it's not used. This house just finished built, and nearby the neighborhood also start to build and almost complete soon. So you can ready to move in with this villa within 1 month. You will not have the dust and also noise. This area is a terrace, and we can enter from the house on this window, on this door. Here you can set the terrace with outdoor dining or the sun desk and the sofa. In front of me is the windows from the master bedroom, which you can access to the swimming pool direct. Let's go to see inside the house. When I enter in the house, the area is coming with the living room at the first moment. Here I am with the very huge space between the sofa and television, and they set up with a very good size of sofa and good quality. This house is come with a fully furnished, and you see, next after the living room is a dining area, which they have a quite good size of the dining table, and it looks modern. They are showing us with the 6 seats together, but I think you can add to be 8 in case you have more guests. And behind, this is the kitchen, and you can see they have a very big island available to sit for 3 people, which at the island, I think this island is quite comfortable if you have if you are taller than 180, 185, because the size is, see my level, I'm taller 158 centimeters. Here is the sink, which you can use very easily if you want to clean the glass when you finish drinking. And on opposite side behind, they have plenty of space too. The kitchen is coming with the wood color and quite organizing. So you have electronic item appliance on one side, and the space of cooking is in the center. So you can prepare one side and cook, finishing, leave it on one. Here, the storage is very useful. Plenty space and organizing. In this kitchen, they have also the pull out function that you can put the bottle or the store of sauce as well. Here, they come with the microwave and oven that also have the space to store the equipment. Here is as well showing the size of the fridge that it fits into this space, and I think the big fridge is better the benefit. There is a room next to the kitchen, which I think is the electric control panel room, because this villa is come with the solar cell, and here is the item that they have a battery included in this villa. And inside this room is have the laundry area coming with the sink and the washing machine, which they also keep the boiler in the house to go entire house from one boiler. And here on this side, there is the door where you can open wide and access to the back of the house. Where is going from this area? There are 2 sides to go. There is a room in case you have your maid, then she have her private room in the back. And also there is the stair, which we can go up to the rooftop. Let's go to see. So now we are on the rooftop area, which we can see through the beach front over there. We have the nice view on this terrace, which you can use for the evening party or evening dinner. You can come to enjoy the moon and having the view of the sea in the morning as well. Right there, you can see to the area of between Khao Tha and Khao Tao. The area is very close to this project. If you would like to go to the beach, it would require for 5 to 7 minutes only. And now we are going back to see the bedrooms of this villa. Now we come back to the villas, and let's go to the bedroom together. I will show you from the dining location. Behind the dining area, that will be the first room right here. When I enter, the first thing I see is a wardrobe, and this wardrobe is coming with a space that I think is for, if it's for guests, it have quite enough storage for clothes. And next after is the part of the dressing table. In front of it, here we have ensuite bathroom, which is coming with very nice color. I think the color is very modern, that come with the gray and wooden texture. And this toilet is coming with a separate between the wet and dry area with the tempered glass. Here the shower is widening about 1 meter, 90 centimeters up to 1 meter, which is comfortable still. And continue to see the bed in this room. In the part of bedroom, they're showing us with the queen size bed, quite soft and comfortable. Here they have the windows. Then you can see how it looks like on the side. And the windows is very good size. It's large, opening, and easy to open. The glass is quite thick, so it protects the heat during the day as well, so you're not entering fully. Let's continue. Oh, sorry. In this room as well, they come with the ceiling fan. In each room, even on the terrace, there are the fan on the ceiling. And now we are with the next door. This is the bathroom that sharing for guests and the second bedroom. In this bathroom is exactly like the first bathroom I was showing you before. And what I like is that they have the window to get light from outside. And this bathroom is having the door connect to the bedroom, Jack and Jill. See you there. Getting out of the bathroom which connect to the second bedroom, now you can see the size of this bedroom is larger than the first one, and they set it up with the size of bed king size. So, oh, I like the bed. It's like the hotel, the luxury hotel level of the bed is nice. Here you have also the windows that see through the stair from the parking and also the storage on that side. In this room, they also come with the wardrobe and dressing table. What is coming as well is the position for television, and they give the huge size of television in this bedroom. Let's go to the secret room. Now, to reach to the secret room, we need to pass the living room area that you can see. They also decorate the house with the console table nicely with the lamp. Now we are in the master bedroom, which is facing to the swimming pool that you can access to the big terrace. And as well, the door is very well opening wide, get through, connect with the terrace together like that. And you can really easy access to the terrace when you wake up, and sitting here getting the sea view from this location. In this villa is high enough to see far to the beach. And go back into the bedroom. With the size of the bed, they can even set the sofa for the position that you can just relax reading the book here. Or even this side, they have the television in the room, and they have the windows for the side to get nice air pass through during the day. In this area, they also put the sofa bed on the side for the couple. One is here and another one is here reading the book in the night or in the morning. This room is come with the king size bed that is quite large and nice together. We are now at the location that I would like you to see. So when we enter, this is the big walk-in closet. It's very nice, comfortable space that come with the dressing table in the beginning and have a double wardrobe on the left and right side. You will have to choose who will be on this side and who will be on that side. Who has more clothes, taking the bigger part. And here the storage part is quite plenty. On the top you can also putting what you not use regularly. And In this room, they also have ensuite bathroom in the master bedroom. In the bathroom, they are coming with a single sink, but it's also include the bathtub in the shower area, separate with the rain shower right here. Beside, it's quite private to have the toilet just right there. It keeps you separate. One person can use for the shower and one is on toilet. So after we see the entire villa, this villa is in very nice location because you take only 10-minute drive to the city center, while the villas is on top of the hill, because behind you have no neighborhood. You are the last one, and in the front of this villa you can see too far to the beach, which is not that long distance driving. From this villa, you can have the land of 538 square meters of the plot, and as well with the 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom with the very good size of the living space. This is the very good value villas because they come with the fully furnished and ready to move in with the price of 16 million baht. If you interested, you want to get more information, because this villa is also come with the red title deed, you can contact to me by calling 086 424 5951 or message an email to me on WhatsApp at info@belleasset.com. See you in another video. Bye bye.